Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about the threshold of the hormesis. So, how much stress to your body is beneficial and it will lead to give the health to your body. So basically the hormesis, chronic hormesis is not good because it will lead to damage and the chronic inflammation will trigger the disease. So important thing you should need to understand, the hormesis is too much important for reverse your aging, reverse the all type of the weakness in your body. In this way, for example, the hormesis is a shock to your body through different strategy like the cold shock, hot shock, and exercise, running. On the other hand, the injury or some for the during the weight lift, so you should create the injury to your muscle. While on the other hand, also basically the different type of shock like the electric shock and the hot water and the cold water shock, the cold weather and the hot weather shock. On the other hand, the polyphenols shock, for example, the compounds, the anti-aging and the anti-cancer compound, which that is the minor dose. Whenever you will provide to your body will reverse against the aging. So your body will reverse, and in this way it will against the aging. So in this way, this all stress is the hormesis. Why? Because hormesis should be a shorter duration as compared to the longer duration, because whenever you will stress to your body throughout the day and longer duration, in this way the stress is harmful, while the short duration of the stress is helpful, and that is why it is known as the hormesis. Important thing you should need to understand, whenever you will stimulate, so the 2 hours is the enough for your body stress, and that is known as the hormesis. If you stimulate again and again, that is the chronic inflammation and your body will not recover. Because whenever you will provide the stress, so the certain gene activation like SIT1 gene activation, AMPK pathway will activate, and the energy consumption will lead to your muscle. Basically, your body cell will learn to the starvation condition. So the fasting and the caloric restriction, also the hormesis. So ketogenic diet is also the hormesis. The ketogenesis will increase. So in this way, your body will learn and how to face this stress in the next time. So in this way, your body will activate to combat that problems, and in this way your body will more progress and adaptive. In this way your body will learn all these things, and by this learning your body will activate the certain type of gene which that basically resist this all type of the stress. In this way you should increase gradually day by day the stress level, as a hormesis will lead to activate the certain type of gene, because the same stress will not work, because you should increase the stress. For example, the one day you will serve the 10 minutes and the next day you should serve the 20 minutes, and in this way you should increase the time and also the intensity like the weightlifting, and in this way you can grow yourself. That is the important thing. So hormesis, due to the hormesis, your growth hormone will spike and a lot more gene will activate, and your body physiology will change like fat loss and grow muscle, brain health and skin health. So in this way the antioxidation process will trigger. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. In this video we have covered the hormesis threshold. So you should do 2 to 3 hours is the good for initial stress. But remember about that things, if you will get the hormesis excessively, if you will trigger the stress excessively, which that will lead to damage, because the recovery is required. So recovery through sleep is very important. So whenever the hormesis, you should also get the basically good sleep after the stress. So that is why stress to sleep cycle is too much important, which that will lead to grow your body. See you in the next video. For this time, bye. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz.